Guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nuralam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today I am here. This place is very nice and very there air very fresh, neat and clean. Okay, so that's why I came here every day. And this area my favorite area because this is a airport area. Okay, so that's why this area very nice and very clean, and there a, a, a small home. Okay, as you can see, and here this is a village type. Okay, and actually right now morning time. Okay, so that's why I try every day morning time I came here. Okay, and make video like my practicing video and like motivational type video, blog type video. Okay, so that's why every day I came here. Actually here every day many people come and go. Okay, so that's why I try every day I came here and make video. Okay, because I believe it. Okay, as you can see, this is my uncle, and he already exercise. Okay, actually every day I try uh, uh, do exercise. Okay, so that's why I wake up early in the morning uh, and and I came here. Okay, so as you can see, this is two uncle come. Okay, so actually I am a very beginner learner, so that's why every day I try practicing video make. Okay, like 2-3 videos make and upload my YouTube channel. Okay, my brother and sister, my my channel name is English Habit, so I try every day video upload and uh, uh, stay my consistency. Okay, so actually English is a very easier. Okay, it is not a hard subject or hard language or hard skill. Actually this is uh, a language. Okay, only not just skill, that is a language. So that's why it is a very easier language. Okay, and other language better. English is a very easy. Okay, only just everyday learning something or everyday practicing, everyday make video like listening, speaking, reading and writing. Okay, so if you really learn English, if you want to learn seriously. Okay, so every day just practice. Okay, because practice makes a man perfect, right? So you are a serious learner. Every day just practice. Every day just every day just practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So if you want to really learn English, daily practice English, every time, every single time, every single moment, only just uh, thinking English. Okay, not mother tongue, not Bengali, not translating. Okay, only just uh, thinking English, like any object described. Okay, like this is a village type area, and this is a there are some trees, like as you can see banana trees, that is name I don't know this name. Okay, and there is a small house. Okay, and this color green color, like maybe this color name I don't know this color name, but maybe a green color. Okay, and here this is a like one kind of uh, pot. Okay, water pot. Okay, so you try uh, any object describe. Okay, like a pen, like your phone, like your computer, like your room. Okay, so everyday practice, because without practice your English not improvement. Okay, so that's why you try your best, and everyday something learning, everyday practice. Okay, as you know, as you can see, there is a, I don't know this name, that means hush. Okay, I don't know this name English. Okay, let's go our main topic. Okay, so actually there is a huge trees. Okay, uh, as you can see, this area very natural. Okay, so actually every day just practice. Okay, every day just practice. Every day you can have it, you can create a habit, only one habit, like every day one video make, or every day early bed early rise. Okay, and every day listening 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, every day I try at least 30 minutes listening, because uh, if you want to your English improve, then you must be listening part very important. Okay, so that's why every day I try listen something like podcast, like motivational type video, or like um, how to learn English, this type of question was video. Okay, because every people every day uh, lost her motivation. Okay, so that's why motivational type video very important was. Okay, actually I actually when I uh, uh, actually when I uh, my motivation loss, and very soon I go to YouTube. Okay, and search English motivational video, and very soon my motivation high. Okay, so that is very uh, a very powerful and crucial moment. Actually every beginner learner first time uh, motivation loss. Okay, so motivation loss. Okay, and uh, first time overthinking. He remember I cannot I cannot speak. I will cannot speak. That is this type thinking. Okay, actually this type thinking very bad. Okay, so if you are a beginner learner, every time, every single moment, you thinking positive. Okay, because positive thinking, positive mindset, always your growth and your improvement day by day improve. Okay, so that's why no any time not negative thinking. Okay, because negative thinking, your confidence, your improvement day by day decrease. Okay, so that's why you try every time stay motivation. Okay, and you follow and you was your motivation improve. uh, 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 you follow like motivational type video was, and blog type video. Okay, and podcast, and your motivation day by day improve. Okay, so don't worry brother, you can just follow your tips and tricks, because every beginner learner or every English learner learning method fully different, and I believe that my learning method fully different other person. Okay, and uh, like my roommate, my friend Mubarak Hussein, and he go to everyday English therapy. Okay, but I don't go English therapy. Okay, and I don't any uh, offline course or online course. I follow just uh, um, like free resource. Okay, like YouTube resource, Facebook resource, and others person just follow like who's who's successful learner. Okay, just their tricks follow. Okay, so if you want to really learn English, so don't worry, you just follow your tricks and tricks, because every beginner learner, every beginner person, or all every person, uh, as you can see. Okay, so uh, there are different method. Okay, so your tricks you follow, and your growth, I believe one day you will be growth. Okay, so don't worry, just follow your tricks and tips, but every day uh, every day every day uh, keep learning, keep practicing, and everyday consistency. Okay, and never give up, because if you want to learn English, so that's why never give up, never give up, and should be learn English. Okay, so you just follow your tricks and tricks and tips. I believe one day you will be a success speaker. Okay, actually I proved already. Only just 1 month ago I could not something, I could not learn, I speak English, and I don't know how to make video, like blog type video, motivational type video, like anyhow. Okay, so but right now I am here only just 1 month different, already 13 minute recorded my video. Okay, but 1 month ago only 1 minute could not record. Okay, so actually this is my short uh, short exchange. Okay, actually I believe it, every hard work person one day success. Okay, and first time and short time no or success come no success. Okay, yeah, if you want to success, that is this is process long term. Okay, not just short term, because success very soon not come. Okay, so this is your uh, habit, this is your hard work, this is your consistency, this is your uh, like uh, everyday consistency. Okay, that is only just one day make video, or one day just read you success. No brother, everyday consistency make. Okay, then your success come. Okay, so this is a long term process, so don't worry, but not uh, okay, uh, so every day just practice. Okay, so I hope uh, you learned something this video, and enjoyed with me. Okay, so I want to just one thing once again, every day keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Okay, because English is a very important. So see you soon in the next video and um, next video. So thank you so much and watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.